I was just say yes, Kunya, Yebidi Ghana home como. Now, I didn't shall say what I say, and your day. Number between me a day once I didn't first or a short code actually. I have 1441 on the bar, Mary D. Amau. Papa, me bony dear, I find it very difficult. Maybe I'm boy, I know Sabona, you feel free thinker. Mrashibi Granny. I will lad that they could upon our greater Accra region. Your friend, Honorable Ni Amasa Namwali. Me boni ye.
Yeah.
Aha.
Say Namwali.
Say Namwali.
Yes,
Namwali. Now I could promise now survive one. They say. That friend, AKA free thinker. And I'm call constituency Bakunswa. Every day, a friend KEEA. Commander Egram. Commander Edna Iguafu Abrim KEEA. We don't need to know what makes our constituency in the Papa Dr. Paco Sindu. First now, or member of parliament. They say the Dr. Nana Atuatha. And now, in fact, parliament committee almost more. Atutu or more from appointment committee. Me person can treat. So you turn some fresh we so also for abemwa committee almost to sanko for na no parliament no o ka ho bi no ko be friends go question me na be some menti question we say mama sha say emfiri ho Dr. Nanota it is say ho
it is say why
oh vetting committee easy I will try let me dodge stuff me dey dodge no no say constituency say go for prime minister no say my call me say appointment committee we share parliament it say e koso
oh yo Adekye mamenda Adekye Nsroma UTV for menda ma say akwanja waza mama me munua onabona moale ya babeshia wa ha American Damiso Mokodo na mada commended na egu afa bremfo ahon na why ma dum na me member of parliament a bigina ho name o hansa na pay michia obiara American Damia so na mesro mafa we free do weekend ye wo hene yi kasibiso Almina commissioner of police and the coffee ne na bigina dam kwanedo mama na your number na ebusia ma we na shezen ya me ya aduma weekend ye behia for Elmina appointment committee ebisa ho asem bribiara boko jode ye shia mpemfo ebie na president wa nominate on the one ministers akro on Alex Obefia fi deputy war defense no about health as a substantive minister. Akroye Tepa, Senior School Headmaster, Anefi Mensa, Onoswa Boni Dindonka, Ashanti Regional Minister. Ahonia to talk on or ye a Jordano. A brother no way basa. Honorable Akando, MP or Sefi the Jaboso. Yes. Na also co deputy or lands and natural resources and Crofebi and account one do say
former deputy Ashanti regional
right ono or co deputy or water resources works and housing and then Ajay Gilbert also co deputy or defense ya to one area committee no more there ya can ye but Muntum fan to go or there years ago General Assembly another Parliament you know na ya the court when him there I hands them you win na Mr. Speaker ya report ni the whole house yendi ho abobo ni yehwe there ye na ya je ho tum another assembly obi ho but hands ya in adwuma and I believe that Ghana fa wo hwe wote yi when ya be adwen them all the yen ye yesu
nkofo fi say aya sa within the course of parliament your turns free will be say o meso abeso afo ne yetoto na no no Bruni says becoming business as usual say we say uko there's no way say committee ni make say o aso say na obentin say be kwan fa so yi ni nsem ano no e che say adwuma no wotumi nyantie mfama no
no I don't agree Mankasa in 2005 me converting deputy minister for central region it was withheld
regional minister
deputy
okay
it was held for be bosme baza question be obi sam ni ya no what's the hwehwem nso onye as easy as the buy ya no che business as usual.
The American say you intend pennies and so much so we did. You see, you say
why reject to be that?
At the end of the day, you sail through.
No, why reject to be that? What parliament? Why reject to be that? I believe here time. Spilgabra NDC time.
Only vote to know.
Were rejecting. I answer here time. I believe there was MPR that time was the Uhud
dual national.
Also rejecting. And see, there were boys now business as usual. No. A show be a show Crawford bar won't demean the show can offer do on your as easy as that. Oh, I can't do or was and power.
Daniel Prefect.
Since you're a member of parliament.
Okay. So no, so what did Daniel Prefect?
What did Daniel Prefect?
Your working experience.
On your working experience, we corrected him there. Your working experience, near positions held. Oh, me Daniel Prefect pen on your position held. On your working experience.
We have a cost substantive issues. So we dey hoye me the power just 1 minute. At the end, I am free nominees in all.
First of all the years you can there or you're competent. You're competent because I can't and now because
so you
exactly
so you're confident.
But then the background or the more idea they mean pay ni train me why you juma kakra or experience or them abaz na odoro kwadwuma foforo na was man no all these or the yehwe ye wi anankata totona no nsem kani ya no ebi opa na rane CV da name oyim da azod name date of birth was no free such a person na better akwatena ministry da kwa akoye adwuma wow CV a prepare nipo no eyim azod wom them say me no very important as because I can deputy and minister oya kase o oye adwuma kase pa abanode show onsa kona kohwe yi on my behalf meaning that on behalf of the president onye adwuma kakra ba odo way no biara na no oyeduma kese
mu hwe kwan nipa ne hye yi ni nsem ano ne ne niema agu nkrata so na mu dia tototo ne mu so munim kakra
fa no ho ebisu also a yeko outside the box there abaze no bi yim fa honorable Dr. Anato Arthur ho dem dwume no was man no ana dem position was man no wo yim ne den abra old school of Ijai abra old school St. Augustine's abra no wona kwentum na dwuma yem abaze no ye ebia na abra me dwuma State Enterprises Commission mekoye bribi wo ho wakata do esie these are times and zema tumi pui no hwede sana mkozi drum bi wo State Enterprises Commission za na baadin sa all the obomizin dem nko dem na momfa dem as na me ye no ho no fa nko ho ana these are things eya oba so yetum yehwe because the petition ba njo advertise petitions ba ya discuss ansana yetumi na ya keshia
oye mami nko ni honorable Samu akwa babium so honorable Alaji ye hwe abaya bi am ye hwe se Ghana obi ya we abaya bo edmo YFM kofko bi ko che no se police fogusu ehwe ne mu kakra aba no ana ye di ho abobo ye hwe se so hu be ni bitime so afiri mu nkofo bi so ka se the way a media ne se handle ade na se kwan bi so no anto antwayi osenka idini dini ni mfoni ni nyama mienu miensa bi ni senke de ba wo gine se
yo me fiase achia Ghana fo nyina no won ahwe UTV nyina msa so chia dade kotoponfo se omutumi enime edini ye abotra mo ma me na etumi ahwe Ghana fa ba bi e fere la dade kotopon asumdwe wo hodma enkosonso ba hodmo onyankopon na dom mama adawroma ye project se pe nyina ekoso boko 2016 ba be hwe ne dia ma John Mama biom meko abayo asem yeso emi se me de nsem base a utine ma bebre ba me de meka se nyama police for me gidi se nukura bi wo baabi
gidi se nukura bi
wo baabi a ye nteye na se police for betumi ayen hwehwemu yeso betumi ayen betumi ayen hwehwemu se omu momoni bre money down na so mo ye hwehwemu pa ombanya bibipa bi aka kire
no so na wo twem se ne ye tete no nye sa na tie
I strongly believe that ni ma bi Ghana ase na nsem bi ba yet be hype no kikan nsem bebre e bia ni you turn bass rape ye ka no na me kasia can one person
Amina brother
yes under duress can you rape no you can't ye di to jina wo be ma so a untimi no ba na so what the cap no sorry but story no buy no nobody nkofo can say bebre but we say no me mesre say to me no de me tie story na matter nkete me katuma me kasi so a ensiso me kasi so ensiso nti me ma police for country because I'm not my investigation me teach galas me kasi so na ensiso a police for
na ensiso no girl na nsam ke kan okay girl na official on kasai but the nkofo kan so bi so hu no tia bonten partially naked obebo obi punu ni
yeah na anytime me kasi so ensiso one what is the mental function of arising of medical condition of the lady or so or ye obia na dwimu no pepepe na this is the first thing you should ask
because so we attempt to obeku no ho pen
and me just say this that medical we say no that's the first thing the policeman and main police for juma but also busa ho asem two so yetumi ya call hospital you say am para say report na medical report about out enti nia ye kan nyina ye atesem enti san nema mienu we say no say police for etu anamo a me gidi so mo 200 etu anamo pe mo asan ba beto no mo ama ye nyina ye hu wona me che no because ye bebiri na mo no obi ono ka be couple diabetic patient obi o diabetes a otumi ye nema bia onim se waye obi ono medical condition be bia atherosclerosis e woni mo ni veins mu na aloko otumi ma ne ye nema bia ense se oye nti se ne ma wo se nyina no
to me create story bi wona dwem na nc
yes ha obi betma ko shop akofa shop live enye shop live oba akofa ade bi won or adeka ofa kapa onim se ofa but gofu na no ma sate bunu pe oye kronfo oh enti yenya ma police for any medical doctors no omo di omo report no about that issue ni nyina ba no kresi report na hin ye report no na adwemu ye pepepe na bibia se ne ma o se nyina ba ba wo se Ghana no na all the time we want stories on am channel em say ye ni bibi ye me ka say ye ni bibi ye o but say all the time no there should be something happening in Ghana a bit exciting in crowd say footballer
mysterious stories
at yes say oh no obi ada ni owo on am channel na yes obi akosi obi akoye kwata na odini sakoshe oh some stories no all the time fitie mo frasi o yes obi chi obi ada ni be ma yira anya dade fitie mo frasi san mo mo na sade no abetom enti me we no me hu say one of those things on am channel and I'm for so say oh na ye gang rape na oh that sort of nema no yema police for say police for bad so say gang raper e fe de ye nyina ye be den ye be kan say na ye kan no but I said no you don't know the story is the woman speaking the truth as no kra no kan na as na dwum ye pepe na o kan no kra na eso asem bi esi e wono so na ama na why traumatize na nema be bri wo no.
Well, I know pay Yako, any penny folk didn't come, any reporter didn't come, and I hear being so hospital, and your kind of same fast stories, na be brave, Nemum, place for your Mojuma, Heba where the opening, young train police for no Bible to Jabba Honorable, Kakaya Tinaja, yes, you will when you won't come.
Stories na be brave, police for official, but let me first of all say that images are ye who know, I are a wholesome. One now because them Jume, they are more than beasts. It must be condemned. Boy, I robo. Most images are yes. Mempa born and mazi on Kisipio. A rabbanon tumwe na on Kasai. That's a story that we are hearing. Doctors are all gapuha washing. Mr. Razi. Nanka Senisha na Adamsma on the Wooten Washi Rabbi, ne Rabbi Wutum finally. Obuwe na no Bakasa, Nama Usia or by Ansha a Rabbi, or Botrin the Mazi for a long time to come. Oyaroho, Principal Ghana Police, Nimda Homeaze, Hume Juma. A quan be on Buffadra, Sabaka, and Crofo, so a numo sa hino. Ukozi them bonny. humwa money humwa Ghana na nhwehwe dem krofi na ma osi no mpa bo de bin kesi bio o ya rohosem se na se pa de rabe wudua ana de rabe wo yer ne ya to na nche Canadian fahin o ya tete na process for according to adwuma I believe that definitely truth you know no kwar no will come out
aja yeguso ya hwe police for anim na honorable Namwale free thinker obi nso your free text messenger na odi aba ne say na wo kan bi say diabetes nti manipa nso behave abnormal also there be and high fever there be also diabetes in fact
I'm talking of hypoglycemia and hyperglycemia and hyperglycemia diabetes the causes
glycemia
hypo and hyper
and manipa ne behave sometimes as if say yes a mental problem okay
mani ya de be onim say oye yes eno nya mental
onye conscious of himself
yes so don't onye conscious of himself what I'm saying onye conscious of himself hypoglycemia and hyperglycemia
me try to hunt no me medical expert bi na busa no say
oh foundation can show go internet na google what I'm saying
obi nso dia boss friend Samuel or the friend Sawom was mpacho busa honorable Namwale ma me say da ben na ban bi tua caterers ne ka caterers what the caterers dey
call me I don't know what he's talking about
yeah some I say light na me say gina so kakra
well kakra akoko be no musuo
kakra
akoko be no musuo na me nuanu a omukosi nya akɔhye kutuku ba komu no ebe price po
ma mo na de kusu akɔhye kutuku
aya me nuanu ma to ata na busuafo
yan hwɛ IMF aseme IMF ma no ja to ja sɛ Ghana yentumi anhwɛ ho so yi ɛne ɛba o maso yɛ sɛ ja be di kakra ne nso yɛ de ahwɛfo ne ma kakra ne sisi ka o mo de ama yɛ o mo hwɛ anim sɛ betimi atoto ne ma yɛ
ya de bia me kan asem we say me ko kanso a yesi poi na na mo ale wa ko kase sisi me de bia me kan I'm a capitalist in a socialist party but a capitalist with a human face I believe
when a capitalist oriented party be and one kodom
the bomb a capitalist with wickedness but socialist socialist for one just on property owning for no
MPP
property owning for no
MPP
the capitalist with a wicked face and some of them meet family home come down but once the bibia o ye no eso hwe se papa na o ye na na wakoto wase sika anaso wakobo busia wo papa wo fie wakobo busia so ba be hwe mma ba be adwuma no da hwe mma na do produce special ice cost of production of special ice 50 Ghana cedis na o si nkola no mu ni sika nti na okoton wa producer dey at cost of 50 Ghana cedis no na o de koma okoton 25 Ghana cedis so be antiment to be it is wrong. I believe say there should be subsidy for education, health, and agriculture. But in other sectors of the economy, no, we should run it as a business.
Where as a business, run it as a business as in what?
That you don't sell below the cost of production. Right? Sell above the cost of production, make some profit to go and subsidize agriculture, health, and education. Who electricity company or more? When we say your cost of production of 1 megawatt of electricity, 20 Ghana cedis. Now, do remember Ghana for no see the nipa a for dollars now see and the momentum 15 Ghana cedis. We better acquire IMF bill. So to me, the more ya acquire board in pa. We toast you know is it economical? As a toast now, you know, with me workers na toast in Aka. Na sikani bi aka ma odi aye maintenance work on the we see. I'll be bia education, health and agriculture more na. Neman kiti we say no ene yesi ye hwe na ye de ye water, electricity, gas production send money nyina no let us ye hunu say ye send yesi sky di shemu a ye di nya no ese ye nya sika no ni nya ho fa so kakre bi marginal profit na out of this marginal profit no but we be maintain nia ode ye no now I said to be so akoshe baby a so the question say agriculture, health and education. I believe say say free education. I believe say your medical bills must be highly subsidized. I believe say agriculture cost of production of agriculture must be highly subsidized. So by if you never buy, so by binya ya pomuden, say nya nimdie. And say ko IMS sika we say. Na be transi. Ni be and here for no doors, and here for no doors, and here for no doors. We'll go back to the same place.
No, but Hong Kong here for doors mentality say buying subsidized and never been tea and a money to name. Go share report on one. You can sometimes indiscipline in terms of the government spending near day. Also, you know, it's not a matter of say buying a subsidized never been tina. I must
say I buy to tune in a year. Lampo. When was the last time I collected lampo? Yenny lampo biom. Yes, you. Oh, the cost of even producing the paper is higher than the lampo you collect. So what prevents you from increasing your lampo for every basic Ghanaian to pay lampo? It will rake in a lot of money. So if you're able to be the cost of money spent on parliamentarians, ministers, and government functionaries, Beba form, the percentage will come down.
I don't have a percentage in Beba form.
Because you have collected much.
And then Chronicle, Chronicle, they told you, I say, in fact, you're quite fast to spend a seeker as a nation, quadrilla, and who should here. So because Parliament to go do 4 years, now 4 years, so Pew, so inside on here, so end of service benefit near Trace to dear man in Yadia, and who should here.
Chronicle, a Nipa Troy. It's not sacrosanct. Or Nipa to say, you and I. No, so no, Parliament. And that's why
any example
I'm always also telling you, if he had ever been to Parliament or he has worked as an 71 employee that can you can all what I'm saying is should die one class in a die one class in Yakoji IMF ska and I say ye right say your mama say okay yeah call IMF now a then be a one class in there in 200 Ghana cedis for and call share IMF sky a dime be 200 Ghana cedis. We'll get that man bruso. Mamma Chow me pay a fee mine. Me pay we call almost 15 to 18 years now. O je fee mine. Na fee no on rent fee no. Nia on tua kra 100 Ghana cedis a month.
Okay.
Before the and I say assembly for the property rate bill beba for a year no almost 40 Ghana cedis they buy. I say wow look how can Ghana move forward? The obi enter woman no 200 Ghana cedis a month.
The owner of the property to
no
100 Ghana cedis if you don't sit down
a tenant.
Okay.
You own 200 Ghana cedis a month. Now more assembly for more the sika beba more the bill beba I mean your property rate 40 Ghana cedis a year. 40 Ghana cedis a year. Meaning, are you serious? And tell me, kasi, to me, the government should not give Accra Metro all the Accra municipal assemblies, the metros, and maybe I start Accra and secondary. They shouldn't give them the common fund. They should take the property rates. Because if you don't get a common fund, Abeji property rate 40 Ghana cedis a year. Labadi Beach Hotel, La Palmera Beach Hotel, Airport, Busa Airport for say property rate I know much a year. It's a big company. Airport Kakakenja I know much a year. They don't pay up to 55,000.
5,000 Ghana cedis.
Yes, Labadi Beach Hotel. The property, you see, the assembly is supposed to charge the property on this thing, and then their business operating. We say now we say no, but ask whether are they charging? Because Rome, with when I was a deputy minister, hotel and Kodano, Italy, yeah, they were charging. The assembly was charging €1 per night per visitor.
The local assembly.
Local assembly, no. On the hotel, no, see, every visitor to Rome must pay €1 per night per day. Per day. And per night. How about if you a visitor to into Ufi, Palma, so by that hotel or Roma, but you are €1. That money is big.
Yeah, the count bill, no?
Yes, the count bill, no. It's assembly for the size canon.
Okay.
Me bag and I say, I've tried to introduce it to several assemblies. They don't understand.
Make them understand.
I've tried.
Because you are a member of parliament.
My assembly put it in their we say budget, no. 15 we say no.
Resolution.
15 resolution. Ask me, have they communicated to the hotels for them to know? Say we say. And when you are trying as a, I'll use the word capitalist. You are trying as a businessman. You see, we use our business to bring to government to also act like a businessman, a shrewd businessman. Wow. Now we try say obeya. Now you be so do no one see we here for no. Enti hotel so eno so here for no. Obi anya no we say about intimacy. We dey 2 Ghana cedis per night. Ewo hotels no in Accra here. So enka unya common funder. You go for it. So common fund is coming in no. Ni nyina kan na IMF here.
Just in case we widen tax net no.
Now why did the tax net no? Why did the tax? You see, the tax net is there. GRA. Debia me can wait. I think this is the 4th time I'm saying it on air. GRA.
Ghana Revenue Authority.
Ghana Revenue Authority. Go to the airport. Neko Osu. Kotra choba. Restaurants a glorified choba. Kotra mo. Buka. Ubia ni mo nkofo ko buka ko di on mo. Me call ho. Other restaurants in Kitikiti be won chain on mo. Me call mo. Airport utu kwanya. The last Ansabako sign we say no. We say restaurant be on mo. Kotra mo no didi. They don't give you VAT receipt. They don't even give you insist on VAT receipt. They 10. You see a whole lot of things. And what are you here for? They don't know Yaba Juma. Collect money for Mother Ghana. You don't do it. And you call IMF. But if all these people are doing their work well, because it's our Scout Forest Bureau, they don't give you receipt again.
Let's say you're educating us on something. So uko baby now kotadie. Now say charge you VAT. There should be a receipt to that.
Oh, the decrapa. Every restaurant is supposed to charge VAT.
I know they charge, but more receipt to that. Say
they don't record. I'm about receipt. I'm receipt. They don't give you VAT. There's a place I insist. The next time I come and there's no VAT, a Nigerian restaurant. Maybe me turn Nigeria 5 years.
Okay.
Manono pomodriano no. I said, where is your VAT receipt? Oh, you see, we have asked for it. It doesn't come. Okay, next time I come here and I don't see it, I don't think I'll be happy. Me come here few because who me ana name she no. Oh no, afro be of VAT office on me say. He has asked for the receipt and they say, oh, but the woman to have the nerve to tell me say, oh, honorable, apply, but the receipt is not sent in into informal. You can just imagine this. What am I saying? And GRA for what are they doing? Do they have a task force? They go around checking all these things and VAT near Jebo Kike. Do why need tax to come about to UTV. Yeah, because of music ever 2 years so. Now there's no measurement check up. I go freer.
Honorable, finally, you know why they tax net no.
No, what will be a GRA?
I'm a force say we should be very disciplined in our spending. Because yes, our 3-year program no, very nothing. Discipline
in our spending at which area? So no, I can't discipline in your spending. You should be disciplined in your spending. But in which area? Maybe one catch on one more. But coming area now, there I will be able to say, okay, yes, you have to be disciplined in your spending. But discipline in terms of infrastructure development there and the magazine Tofiakwa.
Yes, sir. Because we government inflated project Sika.
What's it?
Estimated cost a year project.
Do you have the evidence?
Oh, that's what I've been hearing.
That's the MPP.
Why do you keep on mentioning MPP?
I say, you know, I'm almost seeing your mocha. Ukraine. Only say, Ubia inflated. We say police station won't control. Go to the police station and report. Say, acquire inflated contract. You are not able to go. Now you are floating something into the system. And it is not true. Obia overestimated Bibia. So we are overpriced. Bring the person out and the law will deal with that person. I will help you. I'm a free thinker. I will help you.
But you're not a free thinker. Mami call doctor. Doc.
My brother. a chance o question as a to ye discuss IMF na money on rabo na mwale me baby a ofri ba na pay na mazechen o chance as a be a capitalist with evil wicked.
But I didn't say
thinking. They know we us attract and crofo. They we us MPP. Me baby o free ba.
Mankasa Uncrofo.
Wanka.
Debi. Mankasi.
Anka the MPP.
Na ka se ho.
Make that one.
Me say there are some capitalists with a wicked face.
Only one.
I'm a capitalist.
Maybe so the one who attract and crofo. Another end then. But
I will draw. But if that is the case, because easy, I will draw.
Enya
I will
No.
Me ni baby a
No. Me say I will draw.
Good. I will draw, but ma one na wo hwe na na pay one chance there. Yenya aban bi. In fact, I will 8 years of President Kofi Aban. Ono offer him the capitalist no. When you promote property owning democracy, on your bon, them say ya raza ma dum watu misim. Na msedo me ya me dampi akor. Na mo aban no osan won dwen ho na won yi bi ho. Dem ya aban bon. Dem aban no the health insurance bank for ababo guni bia. And they are calling something co-payment on your baze. Cash and carry. Obi a me health insurance for your pam macro register there. Them drug list na or entitled me the mokwa. What's ba mameno? And there what's the co-payment? We need guazi. One time people are about to buy. Let us not go there at all. Mass transport in na what IMF. And there Miss Christine Lagarde or buy back at your Hennessy. Yeditum. Mobakan difference or womb or him about me. I can easy. Baumia, this speech I call my obisa bibi there. How did we get here? Mommy, a read graphic from Prehistoria. Then, yenya oil no. Ya drink and there, jam oil na nkotin ni bibia. Is Yenzamba yana assassin. Yenzamba. Unfortunate corruption. A Bible true abana ina onyi me de wobo bosa wutua nsi ento hembo at the end of 2008 from Kwame Nkrumah time busy time yenya debt relief na adi na echi president Kofor kono na hen ka wo mani ne ka wo hinara ya hene 9.5 billion Ghana cedis. And then almost 70 billion Ghana cedis. More than 7 times. Mami kacha yende. Or you unsustainable. Mami abakan ozile wabo musu. Mami babakan na as a papa. Modrin de dem sama ihna nanka onabu na mwali. Oba ma ya discuss. I can't be said baby does the mami say yeah financially indisciplined. Not so fina. If you for president's own office 2014 budget yeah was a report on my now never tna. Sika wa approve ama chief of staff president office. Chief of staff not share the president office. Uzi Sikano more than 7 times. Indiscipline galore from president's own office. Yabene ni IMF. Yabene IMF. 2012 year Kotuaba or the John Mama or win at all cost. Deficit over 12% of our GDP. 2012. 2011 about 11%. Sorry, 2013. 2014 9.4%. Na ye burden yanko kwa IMF. Aza ye basa ibiara. Ye burden kwa IMF. Iti mami waka chen. There is the same question about me beside minority worker. How did we get here? Abana bosabo sisiala onam yum sika bebrebe abagana manim. Oya sika wa bagana manim. Na ina me yetimi za ne ekoya ne bai. Adana mrite yen organizer John Buadu. Last year yala Yenya Eurobond $1 billion. Yenya cocoa syndicated loan $1.7 billion. I think my 2.7. One thing I could do baby ara. 920 and now it was 918, but in the papers matters 920. It's about $306 million per year because 3 years. 306 in Pamadium then towards my hand this year no. One me move 1 for about the third. In that John Boyd Becker, you are the Chelsea player. $2.7 billion in Po and Yankusia got $2.7 billion. Now I want for no show up Abazi. I'm dollar and raise or rise in the Equapa. Yanfa $2.7 billion to my fine yet. Yes, 114 billion to me obey here. Who yet? And this if who yet? Ghana we name when I won't yet. Ever chat as I enjoy Mama Baze. In the money you me your mana oye mahena. Ghana is sick. Ghana is sick. Baby Adrian in your cry. Baby Adrian on your cry.
Once in a while. So once in a while we all get sick.
Nah. Once in a while we all get sick.
Oh, get sick.
But this year baby and no propose ye moribund. Baby Adrian. Ye ho wuna kwa.
In emergency ward.
Baby Adrian in your cry. Me in Zago. Baby Adrian in your cry. Bisanara. Statutory payment won't to National insurance mortgage no. Uncle. Get fund. Uncle. This assembly common fund. Uncle. Ina so afraid about the statutory. Statutory check. Oh yeah, shares in my band or the yeah. Won't to me ye inara. Sikezi. $114 million. Yeah, IMF was there my henny. For Woyomi. For Suba. For Jida. Dia nangotin na wo yo mi angotin po obro 114 so me yakwa hwe no o ye na anwo yara ye ngi ma ofo mo ye na ye nke yanko IMF usika oda nkran wayo hwehwe no hwehwe ese kwa hwe no Germany
is it doc you call IMF watch say we have to be very disciplined.
I agree with you.
Programs no a program no enye juma. The question I'm asking is say
that's the point I'm raising because pointing about me I can't from Alaji Aluma lectures to this university,
Central
University. As some Kruyan Mamia Babakachi knew. Yet if ye high fee, Munguni can answer the man can ye, or be fast about the kinds on ye. Mammy has no okay. We have indiscipline.
What's about me account? He doesn't want to find any alternatives. You say.
Yeah, Maba me account. That we should be disciplined, Mama. Yeah. You reduce corruption. Infrastructure. Both sides kokobo. Not na mama can you. You find your infrastructure. Remember, you find your current, recurrent expenditure. Them seminar about me on Kenya. Minority and Kenya. Mami asemo kane the same alternatives. Say you mami no alternatives are. Now also about me na minority and alternatives na.
Until we share a buying Bobby ya. Sa conditionalities are for the buy original so this game I. A buy bit me this.
Order bantu mizido.
Although this no to me dido.
Abana maybe one in fins here a son ye will meze minjenzi because in Panoda where him no car ombem na one do you know to mezido. Na so ye wa pro na so ye.
Why?
Presidency. More example of 2014 expenditure. Man na. I want to say.
Oga se ni po di won na me ni background.
No one of the anymore Ghana.
President Mahama.
Enyo, na must na so eh.
The presidency will cry no.
Presidency will cry one more budget there the 22 na nam 77 na. Employer. No man himpo we hu ye. E na chiami. O man himpo ni tam ofra na ateto. Na chiami ni tam. Mo kodo no ye. It is a mammy, Mobaka Chen, and IMF, come on, managing director of IMF. Na Mobaka Chen, say a bunny busy Junko or then Sabani, or Botum with Ziza, Bamsho, Mushro,
Chanyadia, which made decision.
Minjenzi, na Grovin Hona, Namwali, Honorable, Nuncrofi, and this if we, Yim Hona. Him washenda, see him wa. Dem na mpanyinfo ka hwenda ma waye ya besin de afei na meba beji won ezi de wobotuma ya na nkotuma ye na ebisa electricity asem oza afei abasem wakacha badge no say this month oba no month in the date ahine badge
15th
ayonti orba ana we April Fool orba we should be serious as Ghanaians enjoying that baby
Yeah, we change in that one your cry. Ghana, Aduma, Irazaza Dumian. Minjenzi, my drunk can't. Mammy kind, 15 years ago, Yara. And 15 years ago, no can. Well, calculation for a time. 15 years ago, Yara.
The year 2000. Every the year 2000.
Every the year 2000, Baba nowadays.
The year 2000.
2001 is about 2009 January, Ababan.
MPP.
You do baby, my you trim your cocoa do lower middle income country. On a major purpose and for Baba, who buy one bed pan some, my jegu. President Kofona bread near oil with Skidia. Oh, yes, can continue crying as at September last year. Now, you more than even him budget for the year, about $984 million. From where? Ina ye hu do hwe sika ina okọ hen nti sika no hen that's the question I will ask. Oni na wan so hen ma 114 million na wa be what's about do Ghana jamande da. Oni no be show up ye si dia na Mr. Meka wona wo hwe hen Ghana fo baby a ye du no oye nkon. Won tumi ye na ye hu baby a ye one days you obi no be ka kire de wonkotum aye.
Almost say better Ghana agenda.
Better ne ya be better. Oye bitter. The yi ni if you oye eye. Oye bitter. Oye wini draw ya wini ya numi o. Kokom ya akɔhwɛ. Kokom nanso kokom. Won twaze. Ene da ma mse eyi bi eyi am bodo da me kɔhwɛ mpaboa ahema mpaboa to. Kodu I think it's close. Yechi here. Alaju.
Alaju.
Yechi here. Mohwɛ papa ne mpaboa ye fell. Wo go nice. Won twaze. Akwata na pa kodru ewimbra na soro kofie. School fees we be on nam. Electricity onye. Nkrofo kakra we adwuma mu no, we na do nkofie because adwuma enura num cannot break even. Dem assessment ye wo min dey. Na me madwen yam dey. Yi na echi no so me yare o. Me ze me card record hospital. Mko do also co-payment. Brofo kesi bi akofa aba. Abazin co-payment. One card of friend cash and carry. Near with our faces and na makofo ze buy no. Even me hu ye washo egu. Nta baze pa na wo botum why yen I mean one kan kronchem. Oya baze. Na amwale ne nkrofo botum aye na why yen ye o Ghana. Ghana is sick. Namum. There's light at the end of the tunnel. Onche biara. Atom no bopoi na do dan kwa akofo ado yame ehwan papa yame we hwa no ehwe papa yi na hwani mfia wezi na orokore ba marempo mi nenam ampanyin po ana ame na mhwe papa mi so okore ma bro nanso na papa yi onye no da mi pay
na na wabre
me po ma bre it tells you papa no nankase ne strength. Onche bi akoto aba.
Mache, aka 2 minutes. Mama fama honorable na mwale.
Aka 2 minutes na.
Me pese. Honorable na atoata. Wakase biara. Ba me kase nukure nim. Nsem bibiri okan no nukure bakukura po ni.
Emudi aka 2 minutes yini kakra na nhwe.
Mpocho sasa to
one
electrical
important
akoja for
important
more 1 minute now.
President Kufo ni manifesto answer about 2000 and this manifesto
Kufo no manifesto MPP no
manifesto and I said na the make no
President Kufo manifesto
so no odi o anim
to say MPP for manifesto
thank you NDC manifesto CPP manifesto PNC manifesto ni nyina 2000 no yekoto aba no na health insurance ewu
really
yes na ya pilot
why
ya pilot e bi o we no ho itibens ho no mo ningo pram na ya pilot ho no mo
no aban na ye ya na
aban NDC aban Rollins na ye pilot no e wo 5 places 5 places in Ghana and whoever comes to power will still implement health insurance.
Na
enya ade bia President Kufo di buy.
Just listen to the logic.
Yes, obia dia share
obi a pilot.
The manifesto mu. And this ni aye pilot na to no say ya say it will be sustainable.
Now one time prim manifesto. One time prim.
Na kambucha senka.
One time no manifesto.
Who say 2 minutes no.
Pacho say 2 minutes no. Manenkasa.
In some kind corruption that dey nyina no. One fa nyina so bi ama o. There's no nyina so it anansesem.
Mama kan na.
Anansesem na to ya. Me say anansesem na auto no.
Jida.
Bring out say way as if I say when the call to say na nya auto anansesem and I say jiba super and not to see dia MP for twa say mumianto san mu we say akopete be ko election enti be abeko bia wanton dissipation of our money, corruption all over the places.
But it's not true.
It is something. Bring out the evidence. My friend, go to the police station. Test on the police station. I test on me. Test on the police station. Here, obi on me say, or didn't say we are bicycle mono. Go there. Statutory payment. To see statutory payment is not coming. Why
is it not true?
Why is it not coming? So sikano wana yedi ana say this can etua o ma yedi ye o ma no adwuma say o di ka wa amanoni e say utua because you let me tell you something statutory it must be okay say when it comes to corruption when it comes to corruption I don't know ene president Kufuor ba and to be enrazy or say they together obodi and they call in the hotel wa no consortium now let's consortium. Now, you are not in government. I want to see President Kufuor's son raising a consortium to construct a railway station, a railway line from Accra to Paga.
So that is.
I want to see the consortium.
So that is corruption.
I want to see Nyentia Haruna Seku went to come with say because he accused the president of corruption. Nobody was able to hold him anything. All come with some babuno into my mananko. And then because of corruption, Francis Poku ran away from Ghana. He was afraid of Francis Poku ran away from corruption. National Security Coordinator. Bevolate is in Ghana. Francis Poku ran away when his government was in power through Ivory Coast to UK. Why did he run away? Because of corruption.
Because of corruption.
Unfortunately,
our time is up. We need much time.
But just give me
20 seconds.
20 seconds.
I'll also talk about that.
Sasasa to Dr. Koda Farajan. Say Yeshapa the 2016 and beyond. You be fair, transparent, peaceful elections. Must read the Constitution, motion Article 72, that the president shall, upon the advice of the Council of State, Constitution now create. So what's there? In consultation with any different, shall and advise Council of State. I believe that by this time, a Council of State for and you be beat there search for maybe a dean and then the vice chancellor for UCC and not for any university. Your team was search. We are and was the one recommendations. And by this time, it's Nsroma
it's very important. I would say I before that when I'm to do the constitution. Munya president, leave the president to do his work. Oh, everybody so bad they want to lose the election and talking about somebody back Ghana and no basis somebody to no. This is the basis for honorable Dr. Nana. Honorable. The constitution is there.
Thank you very much. Honorable Niamasa Namwalo, member of parliament, lad that could upon constituency.
Why do you want to destabilize the country?
We want to
say Namwale.
Namwale, say Namwale.
Say yes.
We didn't Kwame edit. I see Acha, Madame Papa Master Yao, Amasama, Toman, we Otobody. Now, same for Bogawan, T. Bogawan. I greet you. Good morning. You'll be a shabby answered and as if done production team was. Have a blessed Wednesday. Bye bye.
Want to destabilize the country. So